Hello everyone and welcome to Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget. Today I'm co-hosting in an open collaboration and it's entitled Fall in Love with Fall. Now we have several hosts, as you see, Deborah Cabas's Home Living, Buckeyed Girls Lifestyle, Home by Design with Marilyn, Martha's Living, All Things Home on a Budget, Curl Reams, Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget, ha-da, Nita May, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Joyful Decor by Denise, Donna Decorate and More, The Pather Life, and Being Melly B. Now, the collab was to be downloaded August 16th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with, then you know what to do. Stick around. Now everything I used on this decor, I thrifted the spear in the middle. If you, I'm gonna upload a haul pretty soon, and you'll see why I mentioned the spear. I found that at Goodwill. Now down at the bottom, you saw the wicker basket. That's new. That came from Amazon. I think it was like $9, $10. I wanted something very small. And the other new items are the magnolia leaves on the back. Those are the other new items. I tried to use everything I already had. I'm trying to do as many no spins or small spins as possible to do my decor for the rest of the year. So I'm really trying to keep that budget really, really tight. So I really want those magnolia leaves to go with what I'm going to be doing this year for fall. Now, I want to thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I hope you feel inspired to create a space that's both beautiful and perfectly for you without breaking the bank. And don't forget that you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. The links will be below. I love to connect with you there. I also want to make sure that I thank Deborah for inviting me in on this collab this year for this fall. I really enjoyed it. And I'll see you here next time on Creatively Miss Me. Bye-bye.